Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Silva, and I make videos all about business, finance, beauty, organization, and planner videos. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Silva. So today we're going to be cleaning out my skincare slash just junk drawer when it comes to my makeup collection. I have this I think it's 9, 10, 11, 12 what's it called, drawer set from IKEA, which everybody has. So I have this in this drawer. It's just a bunch of random skincare stuff, a bunch of random just electronic things, and just like it's not organized whatsoever. And there's stuff that I'm using, there's stuff that I'm not using, and I have a separate little box where I contain all of my backup products, which I want to try to get through, because who needs backup skincare products? I don't know, I just don't like the amount of things that I do have. So I want to try to get through them, but I don't like how stuffed it is in here. It just overwhelms me every single time that I open it. So I'm either going to throw things out, or if they're expired, or put them away in my skincare box, and just organize this in a way that just is a lot more appealing to me. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna start off by just taking everything out of this drawer and just cleaning it out. Alrighty, so I have cleaned the actual drawer. So I have like a bunch of, like I said, I have a bunch of like skincare products, like stuff that I've gotten in like boxes and stuff. So I'm gonna put all the skincare stuff in here, and then because there's some stuff in here that's like half used, like I've already opened it and started like using it. Some other ones are just like half used. The other ones are just completely like new and sealed that I could put away. So I only want to keep the stuff that I'm currently using, and the only stuff that's why is it like so out of focus? That's kind of annoying. Okay, I guess that helped a little bit. So I only want to focus on the products that I'm currently using, and just work on finishing all those items. I'm going to include sunscreen as skincare because I do use it as a form of skincare. Okay, so this already looks like a lot of stuff. Obviously I don't use every single one of these products. So I'm just gonna declutter some, I'm gonna get rid of some, I'm gonna throw away some, and I'm just gonna put the other stuff away. So I guess we'll just start off with the little products down here. So this little eye serum, that's about like a quarter way in. I still have a lot to go through in this, so I'm gonna leave this in here, because this is something that I started and I should finish it before I open up a new bottle. So I'm going to keep this in here. I'm going to put all this stuff I'm going to keep in a separate pile. So there's this little toner thing, kombucha toner. This is specifically only for the nighttime. I'm just going to focus on just using like small amount of items. So this I'm going to put away. This is not something that I'm going to be using as of right now. I just, like I said, I want to get through some of the stuff before I start to pick out more things. And right now I'm breaking out pretty badly, so I don't want to overly exfoliate my skin. I just want to keep my skincare right now just at the bare minimum, which is just cleanser, maybe just a serum and a moisturizer and sunscreen. So just plain simple until my face just starts clearing up. And little by little, I want to start adding more things to my everyday skincare routine, just whatever my skin is just needing. But as of right now, I just want to calm down all the exfoliating and all that extra stuff, just because I feel like my skin needs to just calm down a little bit. So this is going to go off to the side. It's going to go inside the skincare box that I have. This I'm not going to keep. This I'm probably gonna give away to my sister or my mom, whoever wants it. I know I'm never going to use it, so I think they could use it more. We're gonna move on to this next section. So this is my face cleanser. This is the one that I'm currently using right now. I have a bunch of face cleansers and small ones like these that are kind of like miniature size, so I feel like it's not going to take me that long to get through it if I'm really consistent with it, which I do my skincare every single day, every single night, and every single morning, so I should get through this fairly quickly. It's not my favorite cleanser, but I want to try to just get through my skincare items because I have way too much. So that's the cleanser that I'm using. The sunscreen is not one that I'm currently using, so I'm gonna put this one away. I'm using a different one, which is this one. This one I use for my face, and I have a different sunscreen in my everyday bag. I like this one a lot for my face because it doesn't give me any of a white cast. And I like to use this Shiseido one for my neck and my chest, just because I don't really care if I have a white cast there, but for my face I do. So I use this for my face and this for my neck and chest. So I'm using two different ones. So this I use every day, so this is gonna stay here. This is the facial sunscreen plus moisturizer. I really actually like this a lot because it's tinted, so it just gives me a little bit of coverage on my face. So I feel like this is good for during the day, not so much as the night. But I'm not currently using this one. I'm currently using a different moisturizer, which is in the restroom right now. So this I'm gonna put away. What is this? This is an active emulsion. When do I have to? As you sleep, your skin shifts into repair mode. When do I use this? Apply a thin layer onto face and décolletage as the final step in your nighttime routine 3 times a week. This I probably will use. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not, because I'm going to be using my my retinol. I'm using a retinol, so I want to keep using that before I get into any of this stuff. This is a brightening serum. This I'll probably put away as of right now. I'm not going to be using that. This is a daily moisturizing lotion. I bought this because a long time ago, back when I was in my teens, I used to use this moisturizer a lot. I used to like it back then, but when I started using it this time, because I thought my skin would have liked it, it dries out my skin really badly. Even though it says it nourishes dry skin, it gets really matte. And so when I try to put foundation on top of my skin, which is already dry, and then this becomes really matte, it just cakes up and my foundation just doesn't look good whatsoever. So I don't really like this for the face, but I'll probably leave this in the restroom just for my body, because I don't really mind it. And obviously my body, like, it's a lot more than my face skin, so I feel like I will get through this a lot quicker, if that makes any sense at all. Okay, I was using this for a while. I don't think my skin really liked it. I feel like I was not at all, especially because I was using this at night and it does have sunscreen in it. So I don't really like this. I might give it to my sister and see if she likes it. But I know my skin didn't like it, so I'm gonna give this one away. I have this Tatcha rice polish because I feel like I needed a little bit of an exfoliation, but like I said, I'm not doing that right now. So I'm just gonna put this back inside the skincare box that I have. This is the retinol. I'm not currently using this one. I have a different one, so I'm gonna put this away because this is kind of like my backup retinol. I have so much skincare. I need to stop buying skincare. I need to just stop buying in general, which I have. I haven't went shopping in literally the longest time ever. I'm just gonna put it in my box and try to finish up the other stuff that I do have so that I can get through all my skincare. I was using this eye serum, but I just realized that I had this eye serum, so this is gonna go inside the skincare box. Okay, this is a water sleeping mask. I know my skin really loves this. I was using it quite a while ago. I don't have much in it, so I'm gonna try to finish this. This is new, and obviously this is a night cream, which is kind of dumb. Like, why would you need a night cream and a day cream? why not just use the same moisturizer all day. So I'm gonna put it in the skincare box. It's already a lot of skincare. And then this doesn't have anything. I did have an exfoliator in here, and I liked it because of the box, but then I just realized that that was really stupid and I don't need the box. So I'm gonna throw it away. My next stuff is all of my tool stuff. So these are just like hair clips that I have, which I want to try to find a new way to organize this, because I just used a little string that it came with, and I use these a lot, especially when I'm doing my skincare or when I'm doing my makeup. They come really in handy to get the hair out of my face, because sometimes like I put my hair in a ponytail to do my makeup or my skincare, and sometimes like the front little ends of my bangs basically, they get in the way sometimes, so I like to clip them back. Use these for that. I'm gonna put them back in here. I'm gonna look for a different space in my nightstand to put these in, or you know what, no, because it goes with the skincare stuff. So I'm probably gonna go maybe to the Dollar Tree to find like little containers so I can put these in, because, or I think I might have a little container. I don't know, I think I might have a little container. I need to look for one. So, but yeah, I need a little container for that. And these are my beauty razors. Same thing. I don't want to keep this inside this little packaging. I want to find a little drawer set thing so I can put them inside. And I think I might have another one of those. Okay, this is a roller. What's it called? Micro needling. And I was watching, I think it was James Welch's or Cassandra's video. If you guys don't know who Cassandra is, she's a skincare guru, I guess. She's like an esthetician who does YouTube videos, and she was talking about how these are not safe for the consumer to use, because people don't really know how much pressure they need to be putting on their skin with these, because these are just micro punctures that you make in your skin, so that your skincare can seep through, penetrate deeper into your skin. And people aren't, you know, certified to use these as an everyday consumer thing. So because of that, I realized that I shouldn't be using this, and as bad as it sounds, I'm gonna throw it away, because I don't find it sanitary to pass this on, just because I did use it on my face and whatever stuff is on there. Even though I did use alcohol to spray it down and make sure that it was clean, I don't find it sanitary still to pass it on. So this is going to go to the trash, and I'm sorry if I'm creating more waste to the environment, which technically I already have because I have an excessive amount of products. I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to throw this away because it's not sanitary whatsoever. Oh yeah, and then this I'm going to take out and use a little. This is for my other skincare item. Is my micellar water that I like to use to take off my makeup, so this is going to stay. And then I need to find a little container for these. These are the last little bits that I have. This is a random just stuff that I have. So I have two of these little headbands. I like to use this one more. I have another one somewhere else to interchange between this one and the other one. This one I don't like anymore, so I'm going to just throw this. I'm going to toss this away. This is something that I got from Coach. It's just, I probably shouldn't show that. Just, I guess, the receipt for my bag that I got. I don't need a receipt anymore. It's kind of just waste in my, or added clutter to my drawer here. Okay, so I'm keeping this. And then I have this little USB adapter. I keep that. But somewhere else, not in here. So these are makeup wipes. These are really bad. I bought these when I was down in Texas, and I didn't want to bring a whole micellar water cleansing thing, so I was just gonna rough it out for 2 weeks, and then I didn't get to finish them, so here they are. I'll probably just use them to clean up my brush really quickly when I'm doing my eye makeup. Little cleansing wipes for technology. This is another just thing that I need to just try to use up. This is a roller ball that I should probably keep in the restroom, everything back, and just organize it. Okay, cool. So I found this little container. So I'm going to put my razors in there. I'm also going to put in my little clips in there. A little bit of space. I don't know if you can see that. But because I have a little bit of space right here, I'm just going to add the little cotton rounds that I have. The leftover cotton rounds. Perfect. So everything just fits perfectly in there. And then as far as the skincare, I'm just going to add this stuff inside. Yeah, everything else is just non-essential, does not need to be in there. More nicer, a lot more organized, and I enjoy that very much. So if you guys enjoy this type of video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.